Are we recording now?
Yeah.
Should I get out? Oh, dang.
You watch, we'll drive all of 2 feet and break something. Rocks.
So, you know, I'm doing my best here to be steady.
Yeah, it's never gonna work out.
Definitely 4-wheel leaf springs. Oh, poof. Holy crap! Nice and easy.
I know, I can't see shit.
I feel like the worst cameraman in the world, but this thing's cheap, right? I'm waterproof and stuff.
$700.
Waterproof though, right? Of course, I can throw it in the mud. Where are we going?
It appears as though we went this way before.
That's a tree.
Sounded like it could have been better.
Broken 4-wheeler. Oh. Man, this thing really doesn't show the decline in the video, but
Wow, I'm not even touching the brakes.
oh, that's reassuring.
No, but it's just walking. Just seems like we should be rolling a little bit. No, brake. Oh! Oh, that 4-wheeler sounds bad.
I know. Quit mashing the front fender off the wheel.
I'm trying.
Oh! 4-wheeler!
Oh, little guy, hang on. We're almost home. Well, not even close, but we're
Yeah.
almost out of here.
Long ways to go.
Maybe we just hit a new top speed for this trailer.
12?
Not even. I don't think I'm registering on the speedometer yet.
Oh. So we hit 5.
Because I've got it manual first, that it feels like it's got more. Alright, big time.
Andrew replied, I don't know if that shows up in the video, but
I don't think so. Yeah, we roll a lot better when it's in drive. Weird. Oh, this is the section.
you want me to get out?
Let's go take a look. You can pause it for now.
No way, I'm bringing a camera. Alright. Yeah, this is where we came up.
Fuck, I almost think we should go down this.
Yeah, just walk right left there. We came up over, no, we came up over this rock.
I know, you can see the tracks.
Yeah, it really doesn't show it very well in this picture, but I'm standing about 2 feet higher than that dirt.
Well, turn around, look at the truck. It's definitely elevated. All right, let's do it.
All right, you come, I'll videotape.
Oh, okay.
Catch you at the bottom. Well, pick me back up, please. Pay attention closely for the twist in the front where the cab mount's broken. This is why we broke a rad hose. Please don't break the brake line. Poor broken four-wheeler flopping around like a fucking limp dick. Huh? Yeah, I'll get back in. Did you hear that turkey?
I missed it. I don't know if we'll run at a hard drive on that thing. Probably sooner than later. We'll see.
It's alright, we'll start deleting intimate things like that video you took of Vicky you didn't tell her about.
Oh dear. Culvert. You know, if this is anything like the last culvert, I feel bad for the snowmobile club. Because we banned the last one.
Did we?
Yeah.
Caved it right in. It's not as bumpy anymore.
Trail smoothing. We're like a groomer. Hey, I see a stop sign. Means we've almost made it.
Alright.
Safety.
Wish this fucking camera actually showed how bad this trail is.
Yeah, it's pretty rough.
Like, it looks like straight trail in the camera right now, but we're downhill.
Alright, this is the end of her.
Temps?
What?
Temps are getting high. Just the training.
Yeah. Once we get out, we'll be good.
Can you make this turn?
I'm hoping so.
We're gonna try.
The barge.
We'll start turning now.
Not yet.
Turn! Turn!
I'm gonna watch that caved in section.
You're good. We're gonna clear it. Oh yeah, lots of it.
Alright. We made it.
Clear sailing. Shall we unlock hubs?
Yes.